Tamir Ballard, you already know. I got an Instagram page, Tamir Ballard, YouTube page, Tamir Ballard. I'm seeing my favorite princess on YouTube. I wonder, do you have Instagram? Okay. Reverse princess. This, yeah. That could be worse than hippopotamus.